Alright, today we're going to be taking a look at how to make bulk changes in the Foxboro system using Lynx. And once you get your Lynx pulled up here, we'll open our CP, look for our compound we're going to be copying, and for this example we're going to go ahead and make a copy of the compound and the blocks. So this is one motor, and which is a GDEV, and then the blocks kind of all connecting to each other to make the GDEV work and run how we would like. So we're going to copy the whole motor setup here with the compound. So we'll go ahead and select all the blocks and make a template. This will make a copy. That'll set up our driver text here so we can go ahead and edit. So we're going to call this new compound. Try this again. We'll do new compound. That'll replace all of our compound names in here with the new one. And then motor 1, 2, 3, we're going to call new motor and replace all. So as you can see, that goes through and replaces all 20 instances of the new motor name. And go ahead and close that, and we've got our new motor description here. We can change that if we want. Change the compound description. It's still testing compound. Check and make sure our connections look okay. And that all looks good, so we can go ahead and save here. Go back to Lynx, and now that we've made our changes, we can compile and download to the CP. We'll get a confirmation here. Driver complete, and then to see the changes in Lynx, we'll go ahead and reprint the CP. And we should be able to go here, and here's our new compound and our new motor. So you can look through here and once again check the parameters and stuff, but now our changes have been pushed to the controller and should be up and running. And that's pretty much it. That's how to make a copy of one or multiple blocks and push the changes to the system, and it's much quicker than editing or adding manually all the new blocks via ICC. So that's bulk changes using Lynx. Now from here we can choose them all and upload. If we don't want them anymore, we can delete them. We can do some trending if we add any parameters to the historian, anything like that. We can make some edits. But that's just a kind of a general overview of how to make some bulk changes in Lynx. So hopefully you learned a little bit, and we'll try to keep updating the videos here to show you a few other features of Lynx and how it might be able to save you some time. Thanks for watching.